Hi friends, today we are going to make limoncello. This is the easiest recipe, and I don't know about you, but I have so many lemons on my tree right now that I needed something to do with it. And you know how the old saying goes, when life gives you lemons, you make limoncello. So all you do is you peel 10 lemons. Now I'm gonna show you. You're just gonna take the absolute, just the peel, no white part whatsoever. So let me show you. This is what it's gonna look like. No pith, no white part. So you peel 10 lemons, which I already have done. This is the peel of 10 lemons. Then next, all you do is you take a bottle of vodka and you put the whole thing, 750 milliliters, and you pour it right on top of the lemons, right like that. That's all you do. You pour the whole thing, and then this is gonna sit, you're gonna cover it. We're gonna cover this right now with saran wrap. And this is gonna sit for 4 days at room temperature. Okay, so this part is ready to go. 4 days at room temperature, okay? Set it aside, and you can put it in a pitcher. I'm gonna put it in a bowl, and there it goes, 4 days. Then, what you do, in a saucepan, you put 3.5 cups of water with 2 cups of sugar, and you boil it on the stove until the sugar dissolves. Then once that's done, you'll have it here. This is a simple syrup, so that's basically what a simple syrup is. Then, all you're gonna do is you're going to add this simple syrup into your 4-day lemon vodka situation, pour it in there, cover it again, and leave that overnight. And then when that's done, you get one of these beautiful jars. Now this makes a beautiful gift. I bought this at World Market, which is closed because of the pandemic right now, and maybe you can order it online. Take a funnel and pour that entire mixture into the container here, and there you go. You can either keep it for yourself or give it away as a gift. And let me tell you what, the Italians use this as a digestif. After dinner, helps settle the stomach, and it's delicious. Now, I have had limoncello from Capri in Italy. Thank goodness I went way back when it was safe to go. But it's amazing. It's the most beautiful place in the world, and it is the most amazing drink, and it makes, like I said, makes a great gift. So in case you're bored and you don't know what to do with all your lemons, now you know limoncello. And this is the Giada de Laurentiis recipe, and it was also inspired by my mother-in-law. She told me about that she makes it too. So that's it. Love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Stay safe during this crazy time of life, and keep the faith. Bye.